At Young Engineers and Science Club Scotland, we are passionate about inspiring the next generation of engineers and scientists in Scotland. Thanks to the support of our many funding partners, we're able to give schools across Scotland grant support and free resources to undertake really good, exciting STEM projects. Our ultimate aim is to work with every single school in Scotland, from Shetland down to the borders, and we're well on the road to doing that just now.
I think the Young Engineers and Science Clubs across Scotland serve an incredibly important purpose because they inspire young people about how exciting science is and how relevant it is and how you can get a brilliant job at the end of it if you continue to study science and engineering. And I think they also provide tremendous support for our teachers.
The support that we get from the Young Engineers Clubs allows us to do things like the Green Power Challenge. It allows us to build, for example, our 3D printer here. They gave us the money to do that. The main thing for me is making them very aware of all the huge amount of opportunities there are.
Before Science Club I wanted to become a vet, but now I want to go into a career in computing and engineering.
Thanks to Young Engineers Club, I have a much better idea of my future.
Before I joined the club, I didn't really think of engineering as a career that I would probably do, but now it's sparked my interest in it, and it's definitely a career for me.
At first I thought it was just for boys and stuff, but coming here you start to realise that it's actually quite interesting.
I think without our science club it would be very difficult for some of the younger ones to get really engaged with science as much as they are. So you really need the science club to engage, bring the fun and bring the enjoyment to encourage them to keep at it.
We can tell that bringing engineering and science to life in a more informal setting that a club provides in school really makes that difference in encouraging the next generation of engineers and scientists.
The SCDI, Young Engineers and Science Clubs, makes a huge difference across Scotland, and Shell are delighted to be lead sponsor on that.
In renewable energy, we need lots of young scientists to come forward and be a part of that excitement. I'd like to give a special tribute to all of you who have taken part in this competition, and producing the work that you've done is truly excellent.
I think the one word I would use to sum up Young Engineers and Science Clubs would have to be inspiring.
It's aspirational for young people. I think it's aspirational for businesses, and I think critically for the country it's aspirational because we aspire to be a high-tech country, and I'm sure we can.
It's exhilarating.
Fun. Awesome. Intriguing. Amazing. Incredible.